Yo, what's good, everybody? What's going on? Top of the Monski. Hopefully, everybody had a wonderful, having a wonderful morning. But yeah, we just gonna get straight into it. Alright, so it's gonna look like we're gonna open up in premium. So, and both have already swept. NQ and ES has already swept previous day highs. Into these, so we already ran into these new day opening gap. Yeah, by the way, this is what I was talking about. Previous day high being ran by NQ. That's dollar. El dólar. Okay. Got some relative equal. I was gonna say relative equal highs. Nah, we got some equal highs between this high here that was from on Sunday at 8 p.m., which was Asia, and this 8 a.m. candle. Oh, jeez. Alright, so I am seeing that we got 9:45. We got some cat news. We got some 10 a.m. Fat news, and yep. I gotta put some oil on this time. Or get a new chair. Shit, man, squeaky. Jeez. So small rejection here that I'm gonna go ahead and highlight this. I need 250. And then have this one, 92. Right. I'll have this highlighted because we did get a rejection at 8 from it, which basically ran up to these previous day highs. And we swept London low. $37.75. It 0.0775. Okay. Oops. Excuse me. It's 8:30. I'm about to open. Oh, the 9:30. It's about to be 9:30, and we're about to. Market's about to open, so let's wait. Just wait. All right, so okay. So we push up a little bit more. This IQ looks. I'll mark up this 1 hour in Q. $98.75. 925. It's marking up the 50% of the 930. Pushing a little high, pushing higher, deeper into premium. I'll mark that up just because it's possible for it to reach all the way up there. So we're gonna mark it up. Buy side, so it's gonna be 28.75. Just in case it wants to push a little bit further up higher. Look at the difference on NQ and ES. I'm about to do something real quick with the dollar. Okay. There you go. NQ, ES, NQ, ES. ES is going higher while NQ is going lower. Ain't gonna lie, market been a little shaky lately, so yeah. Just waiting for the 930. Waiting for the 930 present FUG to form. That's how ES looks. Got the blanket on because it's still cold in the room, even though I turned up the AC. So this is what I mean. NQ running into this buy sign efficiency, sell sign balance. Those form at 830. And if she does continue to go lower, I could definitely see her sweeping these lows, 830, and running into 1 hour busy. You have some errata to equal lows as well between this low and this low and this low. Still push it higher, higher, higher. Yeah, ES and NQ ES and NQ are both doing two different things right now. Look at this. We hit this 1 hour and look at that. She literally about to be, they literally about to be in two different levels. Oh, they already gone. So this is what happened. So we had NQ reach our 9:30 opening gap CE 50%. Literally my accent does not allow me to say the what CE stand for. Like I know what it stands for if I hear it, I just can't pronounce it. Anyways, we did have 9:30 hit. The next major target is gonna be here. This 1 hour, and then previous day gap. AS. Okay, so we have the first present FUG formed for NQ, which is right here. At 9:37. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight that. Plus, I'm gonna show you right now. Hold on, give me 1 second. $83.50. $97.50. So that's my first present FUG, which occurred after 9:30. So it has to happen at 9:31, 9:32. That is the ICT first present FUG. Has not been formed on ES. I'm telling you, man, ES and NQ are doing two different things today. One of them is moving more than the other one. And she back in discount. See what I'm saying? Different levels. NQ and premium. ES in premium, NQ in discount. This would have been a broad stop loss anyways. Look at that shit. from here to here. I'm not mitigated into this 1 hour yet. So let's see. Let's see. A small little one in here, but I'm not gonna mark that up. Nope. I'm gonna be paying attention to this 8 a.m. 1 hour that is forming. Just in case at 10, just in case we form this and then at 10 we start coming back into here. It could easily tell me that yes, man, yes, most likely won't get filled if she respect this future busy. NQ has already filled that area. I'll go ahead and actually show you real quick. So this is my regular trading hours. This is how I'm able to see where price gapped. And I usually go all the way down here to sessions. Usually we have it in electronic trading hours, which how I was viewing it, how I'm viewing it now. Not particularly on this chart, but normally. But to see it like this, you gotta hit regular trading hours. So this is ES. On my right side, NQ. No, NQ on my right, ES on my left. You can see that ES has mostly filled in. It's not really much left. She did reach into this 1 hour, as I expected. Just about now how she reacts from this area here. Right now, they're not in sync, which sucks. And this is the previous day closing price, which is a rejection block. Yes, it's some, I mean, NQ is doing her thing. That's a big stop loss though. So the first percent FEG is about a font. I do want to mark it up. cautious if I'm honest. Trading below this new week opening gap. Now we are trading lower. Yeah. Unless I get her to trade all the way down into discount. I marked up sell sign ES just in case because she is looking like she is pushing. She pushing. Still nothing for me. Go ahead and try for everything here. just tagged into the 830 BISI on AQ. You got 7 minutes before 10 a.m. We got some salsa right now that look like it's gonna be ran through. All right, so yes, just ran into this first presented FEG for the first time. Still not in sync. Yeah, 4 minutes. Copy mine. Possibility we might see ES continue. She already wicked. If she would have continued to go lower, she would have done so and not reach all the way up into the premium of this Civi, but she did. So let's see. It's still not even in sync. So that 1 hour that I was talking about earlier, you guys can see that it got filled. Well, it didn't happen because of the wick. That occurred at 9. 2 more minutes. Put it on this side. There we go. Better. One more minute to see how this 1 hour closes. Okay. Literally, it closed above the 50% of that 1 hour busy. I'm going to show you guys. So we closed right above it. They create some irrelative equal lows here. So let's see if during London close, she wants to go ahead and take those out, or in the PM session. So we'll see. We'll figure it out. EIS closed above our previous day highs. Still not in sync. So can't really do much. So we got filled on NQ, by the way, from premium into discount. You know, she is moving towards where she's open. We're gonna see right now what happens. If both of them gets in sync by being in the same level. I'm gonna leave this to marinate. Wait, 74? 14, sorry. 75. So I'll mark this just in case if this candle does not, if she continues to move up and allows NQ to run into premium, if not leave this, depending on where we are with when NQ gets into premium. So again, NQ is on my right and ES is on my left. So there's liquidity. It's literally right here on buy side. So, and it's the all-time high. So we just rejected up to 930. All right, yo, we gonna let this marinate. I ain't gonna touch it because if she gets into there, she's still not in sync. So I'll be back. Okay, so they both are now in the same level. I don't like this because it traded all the way down there too, but at least I would want to see her not trade all the way down here. Wait a little bit because they're not even in sync anyway. So, but like I said, I would like to see that this wick would not reach all the way into premium at least. Yes, NQ is back in discount. He fought the battle, so I wouldn't have to. My glory belongs to his name. Yes, he has. So we turn this into an inverted FEG. season despite all my weakness. Oh, Jesus. This is still not in sync. So NQ back into discount. Still in premium for it, yes. Nothing. He did reach back into this first presented FEG. Then turned this into an inversion, tagged into it, and traded below it. And this is a 1 hour as well. You could still, continue to go lower because of this wick. If it would have been bullish, super bullish, then I would have liked to see price stay above the 50% of this buy sign efficiency, sell sign balance. But they continued to trade to and through, but it didn't close below, so it's still busy, not inverted. I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight this Cibi here, just in case she wants to attack into it. What's the high? 24, 25. And 50, wait, what? 30. Wow, look at the difference between ES and NQ. NQ is continuing to go up. They got higher. I was looking to see this sort of move happen when they were both in the same area in premium, but to breathe. So breathe on me. ain't still shit happening, so. Alright, so we're about to sweep the sell side. Looks like it. Let's see. Oops. Why can't I do that? Okay, like this. Why can I? There we go. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I wish both of them was doing the same, but they're not. They all got a whole world of their own that they on right now. Let these erratic equal highs up here. So this get taken out. Most likely these are gonna get taken out as well. Some relative equal highs as well. So there you go. 150 and the high. 250. Okay, you're still pushing lower. This is the most we've seen ES move today. This candle right here combines with everything. Like honestly. I'm gonna be taking this off, and if we do come back into that, I'll look at it. It's just to eliminate, you know, shit off my screen. This is how it looks right now. On my regular trading hours, NQ on my left, yes, on my right. The gap that we formed already has been filled. So pulls be on my failures. Then where's the still voice? The silence on my fear. Wow, bro, it's like nothing really of interest for me to go ahead and take. I think this is the first time I ever seen this happen, where they both only spend like a couple of seconds in the same level for like this session only. Because usually I don't pay attention to like the PM session. But yeah, that's different. Pretty different. eliminate some of these lines. Literally nothing. This is how it looks. This is NQ. I mean ES, excuse me. I'm just gonna mark it up just cause. No. Why is she calling it that early, bro? He wouldn't be calling me this time, bro. I gotta start begging the phone people off. Anyways, as I was saying before I got interrupted. I'm still not touching. Um, I'm still not in any position. This is how ES looks. You see, she's just been consolidating, and we have been declining on NQ. So that's how it goes. Anyways, I know it's been a minute, not a minute, but I don't know. I did upload a video. I got so pissed off that I deleted the video, and I'm trying to get I'm trying to get consistent back into my YouTube. Just finding ways to just be more consistent and more yeah, like more basically more consistent, because I want to start basically, you know, these days I want to do a study case and I just can't. So if I'm able to have some sort of work that when I get home, I'm either editing videos or studying, etc., etc. That's a A plus for me. So I'm just trying to find different ways to just stay more and more productive. Because I whenever I get distracted, like I'll go into like watching like I go into YouTube just to put like music and study, and then boom, I get distracted watching shorts, and I really don't like that shit. It's the reason why I don't have social media. And I was thinking about going back to TikTok to just promote my like YouTube, but I'm just gonna do it raw, just like this. Whoever I tracked, um, if I gotta do some promotions, promote my video, I do that. But I really, I'm not a fan of social media, especially with what everything is going on. Um, it's kind of not healthy right now. So, but that's my personal opinion, okay? But yeah, I mean, there's nothing really much going on right now. Just patiently, just waiting, see what we get. We got about like 30 minutes, and then it's gonna be 11 after that. Um, I'm just gonna log off for the simple fact that I don't wanna, you know, violate my trading hours or doing something stupid. Again, trying to build discipline. So, like I said, I'm trying to, I want to get back to like to basically be consistent in trading, just so you guys could see my journey, because I do have about 6, 7 years, and again, everybody find consistency in a different time. Some people find it in a year, other people find it in two. It just depends on the route, but I'm not ashamed to say it where I am currently. Um, Still looking for that breakthrough, but just taking the right route. You know what I'm saying? In another video, I'll go ahead and I'll break it down. But I did started reading the Bible just to seek peace, to be more at peace, and to just not be comfort and what is going on, or who has or who doesn't have, or who you say, oh, she say, he say that they got this. It's just too much. I prefer just staying my ears and my eyes in the word, so that I can live peacefully and not trying to rush the process. Um, you know, or rush anything that God has for me. But yeah, that's my current situation. I'll make a video, future about it. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna be going on, just making live videos, Yeah, nothing's really taking place right now. I'm about to reach into this 1 hour I had marked up on NQ right here. We had already mitigated a whole bunch of time previous day. You can see a whole bunch of times. Again, it's a possibility that NQ might not, I mean, ES might not get the field into discount, but she could prove me wrong. So, alright, so let's see. So, finally just hit the 930 opening gap for NQ. I mean, ES, excuse me. Let's see if we got some sort of displacement on NQ. Why can't this be done like down here? Wow. Literally nothing. We did hit the 50% of our 1 hour buy sign efficiency, sell sign balance. Nothing. I'm about to go ahead and remove this. Again, we are in sync now. Really could feel me. Never know that you came along and put me back together. Here in your love. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you. Heck. As if flawed, all you see them all, and you still call me friend. God, the God of the mountain. I'm bugging. It's not showing my. Okay. Alright. That's what it is. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Literally nothing. Just noticed I was looking at it in the wrong time frame. I was like, what? Where's my markup? I was under 5 minutes for it. Anyways. They tap into the possibility because it was in sync here. no, no. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. $95.25. He's marking this 830 because we did tap into it. Oh, wow. It is micro time. It is a bunch of micro and still nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Let's see what happens with this. Only the max. Trying to keep track of time. I want to see at least price. I want to see a candle close at least above this first present FEG, and then I'll break even to minimize my stop loss. But again, let's see. Just aiming for these highs up here. See if she give us to us. Man, more minutes of this bunch micro. Notice my door was open. I'm gonna be looking at this CB here. If you could trade above it, if you could trade through it and above it aggressively, I would like to see that. And then possibly just get one more tap, and then it being the push that we are looking for to take out these highs. So let's see. Again, I want to see something aggressively push. That would be lovely. Maybe we can see something push. All right, so I don't like this wick that is going on between here at all. If I'm honest with you, I'm gonna move my stop a little bit more. I don't like that wick that took place from this civvy here. That's what I was saying. I was looking into this civvy to be traded to and through very aggressively. So have everything set in motion. If it takes us out, it took us out. But that's the charts for you. I literally placed my stop loss right there because I'm not risking too much on this trade. It is what it is. Whatever happens, man. After this, I'm logging out. I'm out here. Tomorrow's a new day. Ah, yeah, there it is. About $50. About 68. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go. Again, I thought that we was gonna have this nice calm rally up into here, but again, she looking like she wants to go ahead and move lower, and it's already 11:15. Mahalo, y'all. Stay safe. These charts are wicked. Mahalo, y'all. 5 P's. Proper preparation, poor performance.